You know what? Should I throw a cube in? You know what? Let me rinse this out because I just took it out. I ain't rinsed it out. So I'm gonna rinse this out. Throw a cube in. One cube, we're gonna see what it do. Just a little something, nothing too major. I still got that little gold ring around the top. You know, how am I hold this? I'm sipping like I'm sipping tea. Throw out my pinky if I can. But it's good. Yeah, I'm rocking with it. Something just to sip on. Nothing to kill the whole bottle. Nah, this is just when you chilling. It's like that 1942. That's another good one. We ain't gonna talk about them right now. That's on my list too, though. Just to let y'all know, 1942 is on point too. This Avion, it's good to go. So I just want to let y'all tequila sippers know if y'all should try this. If you like tequila, normally I'm the Blanco sipper, but this and the 42, like I was saying, son, you just want to sit, relax. You smoke those cigars, sip this with it.